Hello and welcome to yet another video by LongShot AI. Now in this video we'll be talking about the two flagship features offered by LongShot, the fact check feature and the claim detection feature. So without waiting any longer, let's get right to it. Okay, now as you can see, we are on the blog dashboard, and the first thing we need to do is we need to open an existing article. So this article is about the 6 travel tips you must know before you go abroad. So the first thing we need to do, let's select our niche. It's a good practice to always choose a relevant niche. If you can't find your niche, let it be. So here's the article which is already written. Now, talking about the individual features, the fact check feature basically checks for facts. It checks if the content produced by the AI is factually correct. So it reduces any possibilities where your content is inaccurate, so you can check and remove it or make changes accordingly. And similarly, the claim detection feature, which is available over here. So basically this feature checks for any claim. So as you can see, this article is quite long, and you won't be checking each and every sentence for factual accuracy. So the claim detection feature, let me turn it on. So the claim detection feature basically highlights the points which the AI thinks that need to be checked for factual accuracy. So these two tools work very well in tandem. Though fact check is something you can enable, or maybe you want to use, you can just click on the fact check feature. And maybe if you have some kind of a statement, like this is one of the statements, you can just check for factual accuracy. And because it is a true statement, we know about it, you'll see these results over here. But if I write something like the shortest mountain in the world, let's see what the AI has to say about that. So as you can see, the results over here are like the highest mountain in the world is Mount Everest. Again, Mount Everest is the highest mountain. So the AI will give you suggestions based on the articles. You can always click on them. You can check for factual accuracy. Otherwise, if it's a completely inaccurate statement, you'll get a prompt which says that this is a vague statement or completely inaccurate statement. So this is about fact check. Meanwhile, the claim detection feature has looked at the whole article. The AI has read the whole thing, and it has suggested that there are 20 different lines or phrases which need to be checked for factual accuracy. You'll notice that some of these lines are probably quite general, so they need not be checked for factual accuracy. Okay, now as you can see, that the AI has traveled the whole blog, it has read the whole thing, and it has suggested us 20 different things, 20 different lines which it thinks we need to check for factual accuracy. So you'll notice that some of these lines are quite general in prospect, so you need not check them for factual accuracy. Maybe if you're talking about something quite specific, then you need to check the same. Like for instance, I've planted this phrase over here. Like this is not something which is produced by the AI, but if in case AI produces, you'll find the results. So this is something I've planted over here, and it says that the Taj Mahal is the 10th wonder of the world, which we know that is a factually incorrect statement. What we can do is we can just select it and check for facts. So the Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. So as you can see, this is one statement. So you can always click on it and it will redirect you to the article where you can check for facts. Basically, these two features are quite time saving. These features also happen to be the flagship features offered by LongShot. And these features are quite important because the AI has a tendency to produce results which are not necessarily the results which you'd like to see. They might not be factually correct. So to protect your authority, this feature helps to ensure that your content is correct. So this is pretty much all about these two features, and I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and take care.